Okay, so have you heard about this GhibliAI thing?
I have, yeah.
Like, it popped up on my feed, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
GhibliAI.
Right.
It's claiming to be, like, the first AI in the world that can create anything Ghibli.
Wow.
And, I mean, anything. Like, art, pictures, videos, even, like, full-on animated shorts and stories. And all you have to do is, like, type it in or even say it out loud.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't know about you, but I was
Right.
kind of like, wait, really? But
Yeah.
also like, okay, I need to know more.
I think that's the feeling they want you to have, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a very bold claim for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
The idea that you can just speak or type and get a full Ghibli experience.
Yeah,
That's
it's a lot.
it's a lot to live up to.
Yeah, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack today.
Yeah.
So we've been looking at all the information available about this Ghibli AI
Right.
to see if it really is like the next big thing or if they're just using the Ghibli name to,
Yeah, to get attention.
yeah, to try to get some hype.
There's definitely a lot of buzz around it.
Yeah.
The promises are huge.
Yeah, like it's supposed to be super easy to use,
Mm-hmm.
like maybe even too easy.
Yeah. You have to wonder about that.
Then they say it can make like tons of different Ghibli-style stuff.
Yeah, it's like everything, right?
Yeah, and they really push this idea that you can make money with it.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so for everyone listening,
Right for the learner.
our mission in this deep dive is to cut through the marketing
Yeah.
and really figure out what this AI can actually do.
Right. Can it actually deliver?
Yeah, and is it something worth your time?
Exactly.
So let's just jump right into it.
Okay.
They call it the world's first Ghibli-styled AI art, image, videos, movies, storytelling, reels, shorts, creator AI app.
Wow. That is a mouthful.
I know, right?
And it covers a lot of ground.
Yeah, that everything part is
Yeah.
what really gets
I'm
it.
pretty ambitious.
So they're talking about making images and stickers that look like they came straight out of a Ghibli movie, cinematic videos, full-on anime shorts with like music and voiceovers.
Yeah.
And get this, they say it can do all this in under 30 seconds.
40 seconds.
Yeah.
That's incredibly fast.
I know, right?
Especially when you think about how long traditional animation takes.
Oh, yeah.
Months, years even.
Yeah, so to make something even halfway decent in 30 seconds.
It's hard to imagine.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder about the quality.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But there's more.
More.
They're also talking about creating these like magical avatars
Mhm.
and unique characters, all in that classic Ghibli style.
I mean, that could be really cool. For
Yeah.
personal projects or even for clients.
Exact.
But again, it's all about the execution.
Yeah,
Capturing the essence of Ghibli in an AI.
it's a big challenge.
It is. It's more than just the visuals. It's the
Mhm.
feeling, the emotions, the characters.
And then there's the whole short form video thing.
Oh, right.
Ghibli Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts.
Smart.
Yeah, I mean, that's where everyone's attention is these days.
It is. And that Ghibli style.
It's eye-catching.
Oh, yeah, for sure. It stands out.
But can an AI really nail that Ghibli feel consistently?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's not just about copying the look. It's
Okay.
about getting those little details, right?
Subtleties, the nuances.
Exactly. So how easy is this all supposed to be?
Yeah, because they make it sound super simple.
Oh, yeah. They're saying it's 100% cloud-based and beginner-friendly.
So no fancy computer needed.
Nope, no tech skills required either.
Interesting.
And it works on anything, your phone, tablet, whatever.
That's definitely convenient.
Yeah, super accessible.
Yeah, can see the appeal there.
And they have this whole newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard thing.
So they're really emphasizing the user experience,
Oh, yeah.
making it simple.
Yeah, like their whole thing is just type an idea.
Yeah.
GhibliAI does the rest. Visuals, voice, sound, scenes, and polish.
Wow, so you just come up with a concept,
Yeah.
type it in, and the AI handles everything.
Pretty much.
That's a lot of automation.
Yeah, they're saying it does the visuals, the voiceovers, the music, even puts the scenes together.
I mean, that's impressive if it works,
Right.
but it makes you wonder about the creative control.
Yeah.
How much input do you actually have?
And they boil it all down to these just 3 steps.
3 steps.
Yeah. Log in,
Okay.
upload something, or describe your idea like with text or your voice, and then boom, you're ready to sell it.
They really go straight for the profit angle, don't they?
Yeah, it's not just about making cool stuff.
It's about the business.
Exactly. So let's talk about that whole commercial side,
Okay, let's hear it.
because this is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
They're actually saying you can start your very own monthly subscription GhibliAI platform and charge anything you like.
Whoa. So like create your own little Ghibli AI empire.
Pretty much.
That's a bold business model.
It is. It's like they're giving you the keys to the kingdom.
Yeah. And they include a full commercial license.
Oh, yeah, which is key.
Yeah, you need that to legally use the content for business.
Exactly.
Whether it's for your own clients
Or even selling it as a service.
Right.
And they even give you some specific numbers.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
They say you can sell Ghibli-styled art, shorts and avatars for $50 to $500 plus each on Fiverr, Etsy, or Instagram.
So they're targeting the gig economy.
Yeah, they're pointing you to these platforms where people are already buying and selling creative stuff.
That's smart.
It is. It's like they're showing you a ready-made market.
It makes it seem more tangible, less abstract.
Yeah, and those prices.
Yeah, they're not bad.
All right.
Especially if the quality's there.
Yeah, and it gets even crazier.
Crazier.
They actually suggest launching a whole Ghibli-inspired AI design agency.
A whole agency.
Yeah, imagine that. Running an agency. Pumping out Ghibli-style content for clients.
And all powered by an AI.
Exactly. No need for a huge team of animators.
I mean, that's the dream for some people, right?
Yeah.
To scale your business without the overhead.
But can it really live up to that?
Yeah, that's the question.
Because agency work,
It's demanding.
yeah, you need consistency, you need quality.
And you need to manage client expectations.
Right, because they might have very specific ideas.
Yeah, and you need to be able to deliver.
And to make things even easier, they offer these done-for-you templates and viral hooks.
So they're not just helping you create the content.
Yeah.
They're also giving you ideas for how to market it.
Exactly, like a shortcut to online success.
Interesting approach.
Yeah, so it all sounds amazing, right?
Sounds like it.
But how much does it cost?
Yeah, that's the big question.
Well, I have this limited time offer of $14.95.
$14.95.
Yeah, down from $97.
Wow, that's quite a discount.
It is.
Limited time offers, classic marketing tactic.
Yeah, got to create that urgency.
Make you feel like you're getting a steal.
And the big selling point is that it's a one-time payment, no monthly fees.
Oh, so you pay once and you're done.
Yep, no subscriptions.
That's definitely appealing.
Yeah, they're really contrasting themselves with those other AI tools.
The ones with the monthly fees.
Exactly. And they even say, fire all your expensive Ghibli apps and services.
Wow, they're going all in.
Yeah, it's like they're saying this one tool can replace everything.
That's a bold statement.
It is.
Because it implies that GhibliAI can do it all.
Yeah, and do it well.
To a professional level.
Right. But what if you need help?
Yeah, good question.
They have AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance.
So you can just chat with a bot.
Supposedly, yeah.
Interesting. I wonder how effective that is.
Yeah, it probably depends on the question.
Right. Some things a bot can handle.
Yeah.
But for more complex issues, you might need a human.
Yeah. And for anyone who's still not sure, they have an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee.
Ah, so you can try it risk-free.
Exactly.
That's always a good sign.
Yeah, it shows they're confident in their product.
It does.
Okay, so last thing,
Wait,
what about the technology behind all this?
Yeah, what are they using to make this magic happen?
Well, they say it's built on the world's most in-demand AI tech. The same power behind platforms like Midjourney, 11 Labs, DeepSeek, and more.
So they're dropping some big names.
Yeah, trying to build credibility.
Yeah, like using the success of other AI tools
Right.
to make their own seem more impressive.
Exactly. But it's important to remember that just because they're using similar technology
doesn't mean they can achieve the same results.
Right. It's one thing to make a cool image.
Yeah.
It's another to create a whole animated short.
With consistent style, music, voice acting.
And throughout all of their marketing, they keep hitting you with these click here to grab GhibliAI buttons.
Yeah, the call to action.
And warnings about the price going up.
Limited availability.
They're trying to create that FOMO.
Fear of missing out, classic.
So to sum it all up,
Yeah.
GhibliAI is promising the super easy way to make all kinds of Ghibli-inspired content.
Right.
From simple images to full-blown animated videos.
And they're saying you can make money with it.
Yeah. Selling your creations, even building your own platform.
And all for a one-time low price.
Exactly.
So it's a pretty enticing package.
It is.
It's presenting it as a game changer.
Yeah, democratizing Ghibli-style content creation.
With huge commercial potential.
And all powered by cutting-edge AI.
And backed by a money-back guarantee.
So for everyone listening.
Yeah, for the learner.
What are your thoughts?
I mean, it's exciting, right?
Yeah.
The potential of AI in these creative fields.
It's huge.
It is, but we have to be realistic.
Right. It's important to look beyond the hype.
Exactly.
And consider what's actually possible.
Because the technology is impressive.
Yeah.
But can it truly capture the spirit of Ghibli?
Right. That's the key
The
question.
artistic nuances, the emotional depth.
And even if it can,
Yeah,
is there a market for this kind of AI-generated content?
that's another important consideration.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day...
You want to be able to sell what you create. So here's something to think about.
Okay.
How might tools like GhibliAI change the way we create?
Good question.
Could they give more people the power to bring their ideas to life?
I mean, potentially, yes.
Yeah.
But it also raises questions about what defines an artistic style.
Like Ghibli specifically?
Yeah, is it just the look?
Or is it something deeper?
The storytelling, the characters, the
And
emotions?
what about the human artists?
Right.
What happens to them if everyone starts using AI to create?
It's a complex issue
It is.
with no easy answers.
So for anyone who wants to learn more,
Yeah.
go check out some examples of AI-generated art and video.
See what's out there.
Yeah, and form your own opinion.
Because this technology is evolving rapidly,
It is.
and it's important to stay informed.
Okay, thanks for diving deep with me today.
You got it. Always a pleasure.
And don't forget to check out our other videos.
Lots more to explore.
Okay, see you next time.
See ya.